Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Coffee Machine Depot. Today we're talking about the new Marzocco and Malkoenig grind by sync collaboration. And what this does is, this actually solves a lot of problems that we're having with people that own coffee shops and baristas dialing in grinders with espresso machines. This is the first time that these two guys have come together and they've worked out how to get a grinder to automatically adjust for time when it comes out on the weight on the coffee machine. So you guys know when you make an espresso, if it's not right, it's either going to come too slow, it's going to take too long, or it's going to come too fast. And then what we need to do is we need to adjust the grinder, we need to purge the grinder, and it's a whole system that people always say, I've got no idea how to do this, it's coming out too fast, how do I fix the problem? Well, today we're going to look at this grinder now. I'm going to change it over to 19 grams because that's the parameter we want. So we're going to edit our menu here, and I'm going to click over to here, and I'm going to go over to 19 grams. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to go down, and we can do our brew time as well. So our brew time is currently set for 26 seconds. We're going to amp that up. We're going to change it over to 29 seconds. Okay, so that's saved now. And effectively what's going to happen, when we go to make the shot, if that doesn't work, it's going to adjust the grinder and it's going to change how the burrs touch each other up and down automatically. So we've got our puck press here. Nice. Whack that in. This is a with scales machine. They used to be called ABR, auto brew ratio. We're going to do our double shot. This is set for 46 grams out. This is how this particular roaster wanted this Guatemalan coffee, 46 grams out. You could have 30 grams out, you can have 25 grams out. You can have that. And what this guy's doing is, it's measuring the time. Now, if the time's wrong, it will adjust the burrs. As we can see now, the burr distance is at 89. So that's the distance between the burrs. This shot here, remember we set it for 29 seconds. That came out in 27 seconds. It does allow for a delta of 2 seconds, so that's going to be on point. It hasn't adjusted the grinder, so it means that coffee did come out great. But if it didn't come out, it would have adjusted the grinder, and then next time we go to make the shot, that would have come out in 29 seconds. I think this is one machine package that solves a lot of problems that people have in the coffee world. When you own a coffee shop and you're having trouble with baristas dialing in coffee, this is your answer. Malkoenig, Marzocco, we're selling it at Coffee Machine Depot. It's coming soon. It should be ready in about May, June this year. Coming to you live from SCA in Chicago 2024. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to showing you another episode.